All right. Hello and welcome to the Crypto Culture Crew. I'm Sam. We're all Sam. So today we are going to continue on our series on how to dollar cost average. Let's take a quick look at the markets and see what we got going on. So overall, the past week, the crypto market overall got up to about $2 trillion. Right now, we're down to 1.9 trillion, so it has come down a little bit. Bitcoin's at about 45,000, Ethereum's at 3,000, and Cardano's at $1.94. So let's take a look at our portfolio. Last week we bought, I think, $30 of Bitcoin, $30 of Ethereum, and $40 of Cardano. And Cardano had a big week last week. I think it's up 50% over the past 7 days. So it was really good. We got into some more Cardano. So we're going to do some more dollar cost averaging. We're going to buy today more Cardano, more Bitcoin, and more Ethereum, $30 of each. But today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to add a new crypto to the portfolio, one that I did a little bit of research on, and I'll get into once I go ahead and do it. But let's look at our overall portfolio growth. Today is actually a good day to dollar cost average. It's Tuesday, the 17th of August, and I was actually going to do this video on Sunday, but actually got tied up and I couldn't do it, and Monday was super busy. So it's good though because the market is down today, so now I can get it at a little bit lower price. Right now, our portfolio is at 265. Let's take a look at our overall statistics. Yeah, so all time we're still up 31% overall, $63. Our best performer is now Cardano, up 47%. And our worst performer is still up 18%, and that's Bitcoin up 18%. And our portfolio looks like this: 44% is in Cardano, 28% Ethereum, and 26% Bitcoin. And if you look at the chart, you can see over the past 7 days what's happened. As you can see here, last week, after we added the money, we were about 250, got all the way up to 300, and then now we're coming back down. But like I said, that's good for us because now we're gonna dollar cost average and some more. So let's buy our Cardano. We're gonna do $30 of Cardano. Let's add that, and I think we're gonna do 15.6. Yep, add that. $30 of Cardano. Ethereum, $30 is 0.01, I believe. Yep, just about. Add that. And then Bitcoin, we're going to add $30. And I believe it's 0.00067. Yep, $30. All right, so we've added $30. So the last $10, we're gonna get a little bit risky in this portfolio and do a small cap, micro cap cryptocurrency called Solanium. So let's go up here. Let's add Solanium, and let me tell you guys a little bit about it and why I want to add it to our portfolio. So the symbol is SLIM, Solanium, and the quantity, I think we can do 16. That'll give us about $10 worth. Let's add that in. So now Solanium, this project, what they do is, this is a starter project. So Solanium is on the Solana ecosystem. Solana had a huge week last week. It's up, I think, about 100% overall. But Solana does smart contracts also. It's supposed to be a very, very fast form of smart contracts, similar to Ethereum. Very much smaller in cap, and a lot of room for growth for that. So this is a cryptocurrency in that ecosystem. And sometimes, if you're looking to get a larger gain, you want to invest in smaller caps. Like for example, Ethereum I think has a cap of like 400 or billion dollars, whereas Solana is only I think 20 billion. So it's a much smaller. So there's much more room for growth, but there's also much more risk for loss because it is so small. Now, Solanium, when I was actually looking to get in this on Sunday, it was actually at 46 cents. So it's actually gone up quite a bit since then. So we got it today at about 67 cents. And what they do is they allow you to get into IDOs, initial digital offerings, ICOs, initial coin offerings for projects that are coming out with different cryptos. And typically you're getting them at the price of the public offering versus after they come on the public market and they get, bought up. So you have the opportunity to invest in projects at a very, very early stage and make a lot of return on your investment if you pick the right projects. So I like this project because, and if this is real quick, you can actually click on their white paper, which is always smart to do before you invest in any project. It gives you the tokenomics, tells you how much the supply is and what the initial market cap was and things like that. So the initial circulating supply was 30 million Solanium, and right now the total supply is 100 million. And the private sale price, you see, they got it. Whoever got it in private sale, they got it between basically 13 and 18 cents. On public sale, they only got it for 20 cents. So if you were able to get into the public offering for Solanium, you would have been able to get it at 20 cents. It's at 66 cents right now. So that's a 3x if you were able to get it at that early initial public sale. So that's what we're trying to do now with some of these other projects. Now, the way it works is you need a certain amount of Solanium to participate in these IDOs. So, and it tells you here a little bit about it. Right now, the stake value is about 9 million. Again, on Sunday, when I was looking at this, it was about 6 million. So this has gone up quite a bit, and you can stake it as well, get a little bit of interest on it. And these are the projects that they're actually currently offering, where you could actually get invested at an early stage and make hopefully a lot of money on these projects. Now again, these projects are very small, so you could also lose a ton of money at the same time. So the way they do it is they have these tiers. So if you buy 100 Slim token, you get one lottery ticket. That would allow you to actually have a chance to get into the IDO or ICO of certain projects like the one above. Now, the more you have, the more you can, the better your chances are of actually being able to get into these IDOs. You can do 50,000 and you get a guaranteed allocation, means that if you have 50,000 Solanium, then they will guarantee you some tokens of a particular project, like one of these above. As you can see here, they have different pools. This one is actually currently closed, so you can no longer participate in this one. But you can participate in some of these. You click on the details 13 hours before the whitelist ends. Whitelisting is basically a KYC, know your customer, that these coins have to participate and get your information in order to even let you into these IDOs. So that is part of the process. But if you're lucky enough to get in at an early stage, you may be able to make 3, 4, 5x at a very quickly on some of these projects as well. So that is a quick little overview of Slim token Solanium and why we're adding it to the portfolio. Now, if we go back to our portfolio and we look at it, it's really going to be a very, very small percentage of our portfolio, but that's probably the best way to do it. Yeah, it's extremely small. It's less than probably like 1 or 2%, which is exactly you want to do it. The more riskier the asset, the less you want to have of it in your portfolio. That way, in case the market goes down, you're not going to get hit as bad. You want to keep your crypto into the larger, bigger caps. So that's it for today. If this was helpful, you like this type of content, please like, subscribe, share, and you can also purchase one of our crypto culture t-shirts from our store. Thanks for watching, and we will catch you guys next time.